Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on ZTE Blade A72S. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here find the Firefox. Install it. When it's ready, click on the open. Here we can customize our browser with different theme, toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization between other browsers, change the privacy protection settings, and read the privacy notice. Lastly, click on Start Browsing, open any website, and as you can see, the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.